So the process to add or change your profile picture on RedNote app is quite simple. Open up your app. Once that is open and you are logged in, just go and tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. Tap on here. Your profile will be open. Now at the top, you can see your profile picture. That is for me the carrot. Just go and tap on profile picture. This would pop up. Now you can tap on upload new avatar. It would open up your gallery. Just go and select any picture that you want to open. And for example, if I go with whatever, just go and select this. And tap on this red button. You can also adjust it wherever you want to. And just wait a bit. And you can also post it. I am not sure what it does. It just goes to the uh your yeah, I will just not post it. Don't save and quit. But you can see my profile picture is here. So hope by doing so you'll be able to add or change your profile picture on RedNote app. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.